Hello guys, welcome back to Ride With Me. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Prasanna and this video is the 10th episode of my epic road trip to Kardungla, the highest motorable road in the world. If you are new to my channel, do check out my previous episodes and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on my upcoming videos. After reaching Srinagar at around 4 pm, we spent some time at the Dal Lake and were relaxing. Actually, it was very refreshing guys. The place was so silent, peaceful and of course very beautiful. We were just chilling and having some fun together. We even had some time for ourselves, enjoying the nature in our own ways.
കാശ്മീരിൽ കയ്യിൽ വീണേ കുഞ്ഞിലും കയ്യിൽ മെല്ലെ കോരിയെടുക്കാൻ കിണ്ണം ഡാലേക്ക് കയ്യിൽ വീണേ കുഞ്ഞിലും കയ്യിൽ മെല്ലെ കോരിയെടുക്കാൻ
After some quality time at the Dal Lake, we started from there at 6:30 pm and were riding towards the outskirts of Srinagar. Suddenly, some military officers stopped us and informed that bikes will be allowed out of Srinagar only tomorrow morning. We did not have any other choice but to stay in Srinagar, guys. We went for some local shopping and checked into a room in Srinagar and slept a bit early at around 9 pm. We actually planned to start from Srinagar by 6 am in the morning, but managed to start with just 1 hour of delay. We started by around 7 am and somehow wanted to reach Leh before midnight. Leh was about 500 kilometers from here. We had a quick breakfast at Srinagar and started our ride. The roads were amazing guys, and the scenery, I need not say. Just see how it is. Looks like a wallpaper, right? I have seen these views only in computer and mobile screens before. We were mesmerized by the beauty of Himalayas and were enjoying the ride. This stretch of ride between Srinagar and Sonamag was one of the best guys. Good roads, chill climate, not much traffic, amazing mountain views, greeneries all over, and finishing touch is the river running close to us. Just take a look at how beautiful those clouds look with the mountain. We could clearly feel the inclination in the route. The climate was getting colder and it was about 12 pm in the afternoon guys. I felt like I was in heaven. I realized how tiny place we occupy in this whole world. Travel makes us modest guys, trust me in this. There were a lot of buses and cars that were taking people to the Amarnath Yatra camp. We had to ride amidst the crowd till Sonamag. We also saw some Indian military helicopters doing rounds around the mountains. It looks so beautiful and also surprising. I haven't seen such a thing before, guys. As we were riding, Surinder pulled us over for some quick photo shoots. We then started riding again and entered Sonamag. The river that you're seeing right now is called as River Jhelum, and it was very close to us. We couldn't resist taking a break at Sonamag. This was our first sight of snow, guys, and it was our 6th day of riding. We took a quick break at Sonamag and spent some time at the riverbed. So far, our pace was very good, guys, and Leh was still about 300 to 350 kilometers away from here. Did this pace help us reaching Leh as aimed? Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to know. Let me end the episode here and see you in the next video.